This is Brighton Tech Geek. This is a warning on. Give me 1 second. To people that are trying to repair their Samsung Galaxy S3. It is not the same on the white version. I've repaired many Samsung Galaxy S3s, but they were all gray or blue. And see, I've successfully gotten out of the screen. It's all cracked, but it's still in one piece. This is the difference between the blue one and the gray screen versus the white screen. The white screen comes out in little pieces. So, just simple glass, which is a horrible nightmare. So this repair has turned into a nightmare. The glass costs $15 on eBay. The LCD cost us $240. Now, this Galaxy S3 was working perfectly, and I was very careful, and I guess my LCD just cracked, and been really bad because my HTC One X also as well. It just stopped turning on. So same week, 2 dead phones. The warning on this video is that maybe some of you have repaired the blue one and successfully got it out like that and successfully repaired a blue one, but it's not the same with the white one. The white one will come into pieces, and you'll have to be extra careful with it. So what you want to do is apply a lot of heat. Apply a lot of heat and pry. Apply heat and pry. Apply heat and pry in this, especially in this white one. So don't think you're gonna get away with a small heat or a little bit of heat, or else and repairing the white Galaxy S3 is very risky, and I do not recommend it. I have repaired about 15 Galaxy S3s, but they're all blue, and about 1 Galaxy S3 that was white. This is my second white one, which ended in a total fail and a nightmare. So here was the new screen I was gonna apply on it. Turned into my nightmare. The really expensive LCD just cracked and shattered on me. And it's a horrible experience now. So don't commit the same mistake as I make this video. Subscribe, as I will be posting more videos and on how to phone tutorials, PC tutorials, many other things. And I won't post something that I haven't tried. I'll post, the ways that will be more successful. And right now, like I warn you, be very careful with the white Samsung Galaxy S3 glass only repair, as it is very dangerous and cost effective if you fail. Well, this is Brighton Tech Geek. Subscribe for more videos. Like, comment. What I'm going to do with this phone now is just going to sell the motherboard and all the other parts. So, probably get $200 for everything. Not bad. Well, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.